Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over this really cool method where you can earn over $260 over and over. And what I love about this is absolutely anybody can get started with this. It will not take up a lot of your time, and more importantly, everything I'm going to share with you is 100% free. So I'll show you the website, I'll show you how all of this works, and I'll also drop links below to all of the resources that we're going to be covering in today's video. So let's jump into it and I'll walk you through this entire process step by step. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online and from home, go in the description box down below and you will see you can get my free affiliate marketing course, you can get my free YouTube course, and many more. And for my #1 method to make money online, where you can earn anywhere from $100 daily up to $1,000, check out this link here. Okay, so let's jump straight into this. So in order for us to start earning money, we're going to need a product to promote, or basically something to share. Now there is a link down below, it will take you over to this page here. Now this is the affiliates page on ClickFunnels. Now many people think that you actually have to sign up and pay the $97 a month to ClickFunnels to become an affiliate, and you absolutely don't. You can sign up to this affiliate program for free, and as I've mentioned, there's a link down below. So if you click on that, it will take you over to this page here, and basically you sign up to become an affiliate. Now on here it's really simple, there's lots of information on here, but not only do they give you everything that you need to be successful with this, I'll also share with you how you can go over and start driving traffic to the products that you're going to be promoting, because signing up, whether it's on ClickFunnels or Warrior Plus or ClickBank or any of these platforms, this is the easy part. So you can sign up and become an affiliate for many different products. But on here, we'll sign up and become an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Once you've done that, I'd recommend that you go over here and join the Facebook group because it's pretty good. And there's also an affiliate bootcamp. But let me go ahead and show, these are some of the different products that you can sign up and start sharing with inside of ClickFunnels. But let me just go ahead and show you how this method works. So if I come over here, let me just click on here. So this is inside of ClickFunnels, this is inside of my account. Now on here, you can go ahead and promote and share this book here and this book here. And there's lots more stuff that you can promote in here. Look, if you keep scrolling down, you can see all of these. But the reason why I would recommend you to start with these two books is because of the potential of this. And they're both relatively cheap. Now if I come over here, let me just go up to the first one. So we've got, let's just keep going up here. So we've got two books that you can promote. We've got .com Secrets, the 2nd edition, and we've also got Expert Secrets. Now both of these books are absolutely awesome. I've purchased both of these myself. But how does this work? So basically, let me come back over here. You click on affiliate tool, so get my link. So sign up to become an affiliate. Once you've become an affiliate, you then literally come onto here and you click on affiliate tools, get my links. Now on here, you see this here? This is our link. So anyone we send over to this link here and they go ahead and purchase the product, we earn an affiliate commission. And look, let me show you exactly how this looks. So I'll cut this, jump over here, click on here, paste our affiliate link in here and go. Let me just pause that and scroll down. So this here essentially is the sales page of where you'd be sending somebody to. And look, you only pay $9.95 for the shipping and handling. So we're sending somebody over here. So essentially the book is for free and they're paying for the shipping. So if I come back over here, scroll down. So look, this is the product which you would be sharing. It costs the person purchasing it $9.95 and you earn $1. And you might be thinking, well, $1, that's not great, it's not a lot of money. It's not, but look, this here is known as the sales funnel. So somebody comes in, they purchase this product here, and then guess what? There is as you can see down here, an order bump. For this here, you would earn $14.80. Then there is order bump number 2. You can earn $38. Then we're into a box set here and you can earn $99. And then we're finally into the OTO2 and you can earn $125. So for this, from basically referring someone to a book whereby they're only paying $9.95 for the shipping, you can potentially earn $264.40 for everyone who goes ahead and purchases this product here and then goes through the sales funnel. So it's pretty cool. But not only will they give you, all of these products that you can promote, if you scroll down here, look at this. You've got the affiliate tools. So first of all, they give you social assets. So what does that mean? So you see this here, you can go ahead, you can see up here, look, social post. This is an image that you can use on Facebook. You've then got story posts over here. So these are different images and videos that you can use on Instagram to share on there. Now, if you don't particularly want to market on Facebook or Instagram, scroll further down the page. You can click here for additional image assets, so more images that you can use. If you don't want to do Facebook or any of that social media stuff, then look, you've also got another option. You've got email marketing, and it's all been done for you. The headline has been done, you've got the sample pre-header, and then you've also got the full email has been written for you here. So it's literally a case of copy and paste. Really simple stuff. And then you've also got additional stuff. And then if you scroll further on the page, look at this, you've got video assets. So you could go ahead and grab a few of these. Click on here, look. Sorry about that, I randomly clicked the pause button down here on my screen recording. But as I was saying, they give you all of the video assets. So you can go ahead and download some of these and put, a bunch of few of those together and then use them on YouTube or use them on Instagram or Pinterest video pins or wherever. So basically, ClickFunnels here, they're giving you everything to market and share this entire product here for you. And because it's a book and people are literally paying for the shipping, this converts pretty well. And as you can see up here, you literally grab your affiliate link and then you can start sharing this. And this is just one of the products. Sorry, let me come out of here. We've got another book over here, and this is the .com secrets book. So again, this here converts pretty well, and they're giving you all of the tools that you need. If you scroll back up to the top, you can see how much you earn for every single step within the sales funnel. Scroll further on the page, you've got all of your assets on here. Come further down, you've got your email, and then more videos on here for you. So it's pretty cool, isn't it? You're literally sharing a product. And by the way, both of these books here, I mean, go ahead and check them out on Amazon as well, because the fantastic books, they will teach you not only about, making money online, but there's lots and lots of cool hints and tips in there. In fact, go ahead, buy one from me. You can go into this funnel here. But listen, all joking aside, these books here, they are not hype or fluff books. They're absolutely awesome. They're available worldwide. They're on Amazon and many more different marketplaces. But you can jump on the back of this, and you can leverage, the ClickFunnels authority and start sharing this content. So basically, literally, let me just jump back over here. So let me come out of here. So there is a link below for you. It will take you over to this page here, the sign up page to become an affiliate on on ClickFunnels for free. Sign up to become a ClickFunnels affiliate. Then join the Facebook group. Then once you've done that, move over to step 2, which is sign up for our affiliate bootcamp. And inside of this bootcamp, let me show you this, because I've been through this bootcamp myself. And this here is basically this up here, this was a question that ClickFunnels asked to their super affiliates. If you had to feed your family with nothing but your affiliate commissions, and basically you only had 100 days to turn this into a full-time career, what would you do? Well, this full bootcamp here, this is from the top earning affiliates inside of ClickFunnels. And if I scroll further on the page, let me just grab this down here for you. You can see these are all of the different people on here sharing their tips, their strategies of basically if they were starting from scratch. So maybe, you may have a little bit of experience with affiliate marketing and you've not been successful, or, you're just interested in this. Well, this free bootcamp here will walk you through the entire process of, how the top affiliates are doing this. So you see all of these people on the screen here. These are super affiliates within ClickFunnels. And basically they share with you what they would do if they were starting again from zero to, promoting and sharing ClickFunnels. So you can see all of the different people inside of this free training here for you. It's absolutely awesome. And again, I've been through this training myself, and it's really eye-opening. Some of the different ways that you can, share content and start driving traffic to the ClickFunnels products. And not only ClickFunnels, the training what you learn in here, you can take this and use this on Warrior Plus, you can take it and use it on ClickBank, and basically any affiliate product. But overall, this method here, all of it is absolutely free. So the affiliate bootcamp here is absolutely free. Signing up to ClickFunnels is free. All this will take is some time and effort on your behalf. So look, there is links to everything below for you. I will drop a link to this affiliate bootcamp for you. I will also drop a link to the affiliate sign up page. And basically what I would recommend is sign up, become an affiliate, have a look at this here, the 5 ways to be an awesome plus ethical ClickFunnels affiliate. Go ahead, check this out, and literally go through this affiliate bootcamp summit because it's absolutely awesome content. It's very in-depth, and from memory, I think it's 60 days. It was 60 days. Scroll back up to the top. It's 100 days, sorry. It's 100 days. So every single day you get a new piece of content and a new video, or there's different spreadsheets and PDFs and resources. There's absolutely loads of stuff included within this free course here for you. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. But overall, if you're looking for a simple and an easy way to make money online, it doesn't get much simpler than this because they're giving you everything you need to be successful. The hard part will come down to you and putting in the time and the effort with this. But look, if you're consistent with this and you go through this free training here and literally implement what all of these super affiliates are they're sharing with you, they're recommending, and they're giving you their best hints and tips, then you're going to be setting yourself up for the right direction when it comes to affiliate marketing. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.